Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use GardCharge to tell whether your USB cable is good. Okay, now we have the configuration here, and we will charge our iPhone 10 here with the USB cable individually later. And GardCharge is attached to the power adapter from my iPad, and we can see the power meter data on the iPhone 7 here for the readout of the power meter status. Okay, now let's try with the original iPhone cable first. Now let's attach that to our adapter. And now you can see that the voltage is about 5.04, 5.05, while the current is 0 because we have not attached the USB cable yet. Now let's do it now. Okay, my iPad has about 63% of power there. And you can see that the current here, it shows 1.29 or around 1.29, 1.3 ampere. And voltage is about 4.98 and the wattage is about 6.3. Okay, this is the behavior of this original iPhone cable. Just keep in mind it's about 1.2 2728. Okay, now let's try this green USB cable here. Now let's attach that to our USB connector. Okay, now let's see. Here we go. Okay, start charging. So it's a little bit lower than the original iPhone cable. It's about 1.3, 1.4. So this cable behaves okay, just a little bit lower current than the original iPhone cable. It comes up again. Okay, so this one looks okay. Let's try with the other one. This one, the gold color USB cable. Now let's see what will happen here. Okay, start charging. It starts with a 1.3, 1.4. Looks a little bit better than iPhone's original cable. So here we go. You can check your USB cable using GardCharge and look at the current level comparing to the original iPhone cable as an index. Then you can tell whether the USB cable is good. Okay, thank you.